Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change or adjust the frame per second rate for your video clips you create and edit on Shotcut. So let us get started. So head over to your video project on Shotcut. Let me just remove that blurring effect here from another tutorial. So what you want to do is simply left click into your video project here or your video clip, and after that you may head over to your video settings by clicking into settings here at the top. Hover your mouse over video mode, and after that select custom and add a completely new video mode, for example. So let me go with that one here, and you can, for example, name your video mode. However guys, if you'd like to change the FPS rate, simply customize it here by moving that arrow to the arrow up or arrow down icon or button, or simply click into that drop down menu and select one of these predefined FPS rates, like for example 50, 59, 60, 30, 25 and so on and so forth, with 60 being the maximum. That's one way guys. The other option would be to change the FPS rate in your exporting settings. To do that, head over to export here, and here guys, under video you will see again that frame per second rate settings here. So again, here you may for example use these arrow up and arrow down icons or buttons, or use that drop down menu again. And that's basically it. Just make sure guys that these exporting settings here match the ones you have selected for your video mode. And that's basically it. That's how it works. After that you can export your file by clicking to this button with the selected FPS rates. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.